Today I'm going to divide some of my Cattleya aurantiaca. This is Cattleya aurantiaca red that I got from Orchid Trail last year, and you can see that it's completely growing out of its pot. The sections still in the pot have no leaves, and so I'm just going to cut the section that has grown out of the pot with a clean razor blade, which I have sterilized by heating it on the stove. So here we go. There we go. And then I can just pull this off. It's now completely not attached, and I'm going to pot this piece up. My aurantiacas pretty much grow out of the pot, so it doesn't seem like they want to be in media at all. And also, I don't have any really good large semi-hydro pots, so I'm just going to repot this into bark. I'm going to shove it over as much as I can onto one side of the pot. And then I'm going to just fill it with bark. This is fir bark mixed with perlite and a little bit of sphagnum moss. It is part of the bark mix bag that I got from the Oak Park Conservatory after I ran a potting workshop with them. So basically I'm potting up in leftovers. And they got this mix from Hauserman's in Villa Park. Stuff coming out of the bottom. And there we go, it's even going to stay upright for me. The second aurantiaca that I'd like to divide is aurantiaca lemon drop. I got this one from Sunset Valley Orchids. It's a division of one of Fred's plants. The original one got an HCC. This one, unlike the red, as you can see, most of the growth inside of the pot is still alive. So I think I want to retain it. It also has 2 new leaves coming out. So I would like to keep it whole. So the goal with this one is I'm going to just try to pot it up. I'm going to basically try to get it out of this pot and then put it in a bigger pot. And of course, probably we'll end up with some root loss, because you can see on this one, the roots have actually stuck to the pot. I can use the tag to kind of loosen them up. But here it's still stuck. probably just slice through some of the vellum somewhere here. I don't even know how are you coming through the pot here? There's a root right here. I think it might be coming through the pot. Oh, it is. Well, we're gonna lose that root. Oh, this pot is cracked. Look at that. All right, if this pot is cracked, I'm gonna peel it off because we're not gonna try to save the pot. Oh, did lose a root when I did that. Root piece. And there's roots kind of stuck against the side. All right, there we go. Make sure we get it all off the side. Root loss. There, we lost some roots. All right, it's out. So the old media is really stuck in there. I'm not going to clean it out. I don't know that it's in great shape, but I'm basically, Cattleyas do not like having their roots disturbed. It can set them back in growth. And even though the older roots, they're still alive and doing things. So I am not going to disturb them. I am simply going to try to pot this up. Let's see if it'll fit in this pot. If I need to get a larger pot. I eyeballed this earlier. I think a bigger pot. I'm back with a bigger pot. I think, yes, this will work a little bit better for potting up. I want to keep as many of the new roots as possible. So with aurantiaca, it tends to put out new growth and then it starts putting out new roots, as you can see right here. So this is why I'm doing this now. You don't want the roots to get too long off the new growth. They'll just break or they'll die because of the trauma of repotting. Twig. You know what that? No twigs. Just shaking it so that the mix goes down to the bottom. Adjusting it a little so that it's not lopsided. That's pretty good. Plastic here. I'm just trying to be as careful of the new growth as possible because I have a tendency to snap off my new growth. New growth is usually much more delicate. So there we go. Lemon drop is potted up.